Hello friends, here's a quick and easy tutorial on change your current ringtone on your iPhone. Get a bonus tip to set any song as a ringtone free without a third-party app. I will see the end of this video tutorial. To change the default ringtone, launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll to the Sound and Haptics option. Now, tap on the ringtone option. Again, scroll down and select the ringtone that you want to change. Use the volume button to set the maximum level and check the exact ringtone volume level. Now, the interesting part is if you want to set any of your songs as a ringtone, keep watching this video. First, your iPhone install the Apple native Garageband app. If not, download it from the App Store. Launch the Garagebnad app on your iPhone and select Audio Recorder from different tracks. Here, you can create your ringtone or import your music downloaded from the internet. First, download your song from the Safari browser. There are many websites that allow you to download songs you like. Once you download the song, this will automatically save it to your Files app. Launch the Files app and see the downloaded song under the recent items. Go back to the Garageband app and tap the plus button to browse music from the Files app. Select Barred from 8 to 30. And tap on Done. Now, tap on the third icon, called Instrument Browser, from the top left, and switch to microphone mode. Now, tap on the loop icon at second last on top. Now, select Files. Then, select Browse Items from the Files app option on the screen. Under the Recents, select the ringtone downloaded from your Safari browser or saved existing ringtone in your Files app. Select Ringtone and drag to the recording browser in your Garageband app. Now, tap on the down arrow icon from the top left corner to export as a ringtone. Now, see the project saved to your Garageband library. Touch and hold to see the Share option. Tap on the Share button and select the ringtone option. It might be asked if your ringtone length needs to be adjusted if it is lower than 30 seconds. Select the Continue option. Now, give the correct ringtone name and tap on Export to add it to the ringtone list. Wait for a while, and you will get a message that the ringtone export is successful. Tap on OK. Move to the Settings app and scroll to the Sound and Haptics option, and tap on the ringtone. Here's a recently added ringtone in the list but not selected. Select a play and listen preview of your ringtone. To remove or delete a custom ringtone from the list, swipe to the left and select the Delete option. That's a full guide on how to change your ringtone on your iPhone or set the custom ringtone to your iPhone for free. I hope you found this video very helpful, so don't miss to like, share, and subscribe for more upcoming tips. Also comment for more help.